Please look ahead. Little Joe, how'd you do that? I've driven for years, but you're better. What's the secret? Remember this, and you'll never scrape again. First, when parallel parking, focus on the wiper joint. Slowly turn until it aligns with the curb, then straighten the wheel. At this point, you'll be about 30 centimeters from the curb. Second, to gauge distance from the car ahead, brake when you can't see its rear bumper. You'll be about a meter away. Third, when parking facing a curb, watch your rear view mirror. Brake when its bottom edge aligns with the curb. You'll be 30 centimeters away. Fourth, for wide lane changes, align the left of your steering wheel with the lane marker for a safe pass. Lastly, when maneuvering tight spots, you're clear once your shoulders pass the obstacle, regardless of wheel angle. Pretty useful, isn't it? Follow Xiao Chow for more tips.